can get a whistle out of lots of things. Flutes whistle, recorder's whistle, and for some people, their teeth even whistle. So have a look at these. These are really very simple. They're just blind bits of plastic tubing, and a mouthpiece is set at an angle across the top. When you blow, it makes the air vibrate in the tubes. Here's a 3-holer, and here's a 2-holer. And that's all you have to do. Just notice the angle of that mouthpiece. It really is quite important, and that's the design you can use to make your own little mini whistle out of nothing more than a plastic straw. This is what you do. Just take a straw. You want about a quarter or say a third of it. We'll just chop it through there. And then you get some sharp-pointed scissors, and halfway down what you've got there, make a cut straight across the straw that almost cuts it in two. Go as close as you can to the other edge, like that. Now that's the straight cut. Below it, you make a slanting cut so that you chop out that little wedge of straw there. Just pull it away. Now that really is all you're going to need. I'll just chop off that stringy bit. The bottom part is the one with a slant, and it has to be closed, so you put your finger underneath that and block off the end of the tubing. Make sure that's absolutely airtight. Now if you just blow down the top now, you won't get much except the sound of escaping air. But as you bend that top backwards, you'll hit the magical angle, and things should start to scream. There we go. Well, you'll probably make a few that don't work before you get one that does, but straws are pretty cheap.
I want to know. Curiosity.